Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how I got this vibrant green eye look, so stay tuned. Okay, so I do already have my face moisturizer and also my foundation for today, so we're just going to jump right into the eye look. First, to prime, I took my She Glam Ready Set primer. And the applicator is really good on this. I love it. It's easy to just get the right amount of primer to just blend it in. And then on the inner part and about halfway of the eyelid, I took this e.l.f. Mint Melt No Budge eyeshadow stick. I got this in Five Below. They have the sky blue one and also a brown one. So I'm just going to do this. It was a little messy, so you are going to want to kind of blend it with your finger to smoothen it out. But it's a really nice mint shade that's kind of going to act as a base so that the green really pops and goes on the eyelid well. Okay, so I'm taking this Revolution shader brush and I took the shade IFE. It's like the shimmery green.
Using the Juvias Place Culture palette, by the way.
Basically, I kind of just put it on the other side and kind of blend it into the mint eyeshadow stick. Kind of smoothened out. And then on the side where the eyeshadow stick is, I'm gonna also take the matte lime green shade called Teraba and kind of also go over the other shade but make this smooth. And kind of just keep like blending it over till you get it how you want it. Get the color how you want it. It's really easy. And then for the lower lash line, I took this more aqua color called Embrace. It's the LA Colors Color Swipe Shadow Stick. And we're just going to place it on the lower lash line. It's a really pretty shade. And this is really awesome too because it has a twist. So you always have a lot of product. You don't have to worry about sharpening it. Now, this came out really pretty, but I'm taking the color Tiv, which is a shimmery forest green. And I'm taking this skinny pencil brush I got on AliExpress. we're just going to take a little bit of that shade and blend it into that eyeshadow stick on the lower lash line. And this green is really going to make the lower lash line pop. I really love how it came out today with everything, my necklace and the shirt, and my earrings also have a green gem. It's really fun green colors. Yeah. So this is how it came out for today. Green's one of my favorite color combinations to wear. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. My next video is going to be a look with all the Profusion products that I got, so stay tuned. Also, don't forget to give this video a like, a comment, and if you want to see the next videos, subscribe. Bye!